concentrate on the game. The town's up to heel at high players. The Greek's in town.
Brandy Bottle Bates.
Scranton Slim.
I know, I could make a fortune, but where could I have the game?
The Biltmore Garage wants $1,000.
But we ain't got $1,000 on hand.
And they've now got a lock on the door of the gym at Public School 84.
There's the stock room behind McCloskey's bar.
But Mrs. McCloskey ain't a good scout.
And things being how they are, the back of the police station is out.
So the Biltmore Garage is the spot.
But the 1,000 bucks we ain't got.
Why, it's good old reliable Nathan, 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 Detroit. If you're looking for action, he'll furnish the spot. Even when the heat is on, it's never too hot. Not for good old reliable Nathan, for it's always just a short walk to the oldest established permanent floating crab game in New York. Where's the action? Where's the game? Gotta have the game.